guys, what is up today? Today we are gonna be creating Undertale in Gamemaker Studio 2. It's gonna be a fan game, of course, and so at first you'll need Gamemaker. You can get a free trial. I don't recommend the free trial. I recommend you get Creator if you have $40 on you. If you don't, just get free trial. But I seriously recommend that not. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to Spiders resource, which you can find by looking up Spiders resource. Yeah, I spelled resource wrong. Oh well, I'll just click this. Wait, did I spell it wrong? No, I didn't. Okay. So in Sheets and Games, just look up Frisk. Then go here, Frisk. And then you can just click download the sheet. And then we can go to Gamemaker and then click Gamemaker. So go here and click it new and then Gamemaker language. And then call it Undertale Fan Game YT. And you can name it whatever you want, but I'm going to name it that. And then what we're going to do first is we're just going to click Create Sprite. And we're going to call it Ask Frisk Left. No, not left. Move down. Then I'm going to click Edit Image, and then I'm going to click Image, import strip image, and then I'm going to go down to Downloads where I downloaded that Frisk image here, and then I'll go back here. I'll put in PC computer since that's what it was called, and then I'm going to open it, and then for number of frames for a row I'm going to put 4, and then 4 here, and then I'm going to zoom in. And for frame width and frame height, I'm going to put 19 and 29. And then for horizontal pixel offset, I'm going to put 5 and 21. And then for horizontal separation, I'm going to put in 5 and 0. And then I'm going to click Convert. And then click Yes. Then click this little tool, click that, and hold down Shift and click that. And then I'll select everything and click Delete. And then do the same with the next one. Delete. Same for the next one. Delete. Same for the next one. Delete. And so now it has that little animation, and that sucks. So I'm just gonna put in like 3. And maybe that'll do it. No, it's too slow. We'll put in like 6. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. And so that's our animation for Frisk. And then we'll click a middle center. And this is 29 by 19 by 29. And now we'll click Create Sprite. Ask Frisk. S Frisk. Move. Up. And then we'll click Edit Image, import strip image, put in the same image you did before, and by then it should save what you did last time probably. If not, just do what I did last time or just copy right here. And then with your mouse, just like click it and then bring it down. And then try zooming in. And then just dragging it into it so it matches exactly. Now convert. Yes. And now, oh, we made a mistake. So I had a little annoying thing there. I didn't do the right thing. So don't match it with that one. That was the wrong one to match it with. You have to match it with this one. no, sorry, this one up. And then we're gonna click convert, yes. And now we'll have that super fast. And then, like what we did last time, I'll just use magic wand, delete, and hold down the shift and do that thing again, do it again, and so on, and there. So ask frisk move up, and then we'll, then we'll make it middle center again. That really matters. And so now we'll go to sprites, and then we'll do create sprite again. S frisk move left, edit image, import strip image, PC computer, you know what to do. And then this time, this one's actually different. We'll say number of frames 2, and then we'll change, well, no, we won't change this. We won't change anything else except for dragging it again, except for making it on the left one. Oh wait, yeah, we do change it. Okay, sorry. I gave you a wrong fact. A wrong one. I gave you a really wrong fact. So once that's kind of aligned, change your frame width to 17 instead. And that's good. Convert, yes. I'll just take this and color this part. Wait, hold on. Yeah, okay. Whoops, I thought I was doing something wrong. Okay, and then go to like what we did before, shift, and then delete, except this part, this time there's like a little bottom thing, and delete that for that frame. If there's not a little bottom thing, I'm probably doing something wrong. Just ignore me. And now do it for the other frame, delete. Okay, and then this one, we actually don't need to make another one. We can just say S move right, and then we can edit the image, and then we can just say image mirror all frames, so they're all facing that way. And we're going to click middle center. Oh, I forgot to say middle center for this one. Middle center, and make sure this up goes down below the right. And now for our down sprite, click collision mask. Instead of automatic, put in manual, and then kind of put it around her waist right here. And then we can go to objects, or just click, we can go to objects and click create object, or you can just go Alt O, and then I'll create a new object for you. And then you can be like O frisk, and then go to move down, and then say S frisk move down for collision mask. You may think same as sprite might work, but it actually won't, because all these other things will have their own collision mask, and they're different than our collision mask we just made. And it would take a lot of work if we just had to make the same collision mask for every single thing. So we have to just set it for the one we set our good collision mask for. So for here, we're just going to click create, and we're going to click, we're going to say speed equals 4. And that's it for the create event. And then we're going to go to step, click step. And what step does is it does something every frame, like every frame, which is 60 frames per second. It will it will do that every frame. So it'll do it 60 times per second. So what create does is when it's made, like when it first runs, like when this object runs, it'll make this. And this is perfect for variables, because if we put this in here, if we change that variable at all, it would just be, if we want speed equals 4 here, and then when we are changing something, we'd be like, if blah 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 speed equals 9 or something, then it wouldn't work, because then when it went to the next step, it would change it back to 4, and that would be annoying. We will once in a while create variables in the step event, but that's mostly like vars and stuff. And a var is like, it only stays in this one event, like the step or create event, and it doesn't change. So create is best for variables, I feel like. And then click // and then do at desk, and then you can do whatever you want, like initialize variables, and then it'll say initialize variables right there. So you could say anything in here. You can be like, I am cool, see? You're gonna be like, whatever you want. I'm gonna just say initialize variables. Okay, now for step, we're just gonna put in like this. I'm gonna create a variable right now. Left key equals keyboard check check VK left. And then we're just going to click Control C, and then we're going to click Enter here, and then we're going to click Control V, then we're going to put down key instead of left key, and then instead of VK left, it's going to be VK down. And so what this piece of code means, what this piece of code means, it just means down key, the variable, equals if down key means, it means, down key means if I hold down, then it just means hold down the down key. And this is the same except with a left key. And then we're just going to click Enter, Control V, or just paste, but I don't like doing that, so I like Control V shortcuts. Now this is going to be right key, and then this is going to be right, and then this is going to be up key, and then it's going to be if down key. Then, so what this means is it's just saying if I hold down the down key, then, and then we're supposed to say what is going to happen. So what we're going to say is what's going to happen is we're going to say x plus equals speed. And speed, remember, was 4. And so what that technically means is, hold on, you need to do this really quick. Just put in frisk into the instances. And now I'm going to show you how this works. So, hold on, let me change this. 4. So, what's that saying is x is, if we add to x, we'll go right. If we add, if we subtract from x, we'll go left. If we add to y, we'll go down. If we subtract from y, we'll go up. And what I did was a mistake, and don't do that. Put y instead of x. That was a mistake, sorry. So by putting y plus speed, that means I move down 4. And if we just hold it down, that means we'll just be going down forever until we let go. So, yeah. So, then we'll put in if up key. No, if left key, then x minus equals speed. And the difference between just x minus speed or x equals speed is from minus equals speed. So the reason why x minus speed and minus equals speed is different is because if we just did x minus speed, then it would just be like speed. No, it would just be like, what's x minus speed? It would just be a statement. If we just, it would just be a statement and it'd be like, what is x minus speed? And it would be a statement instead of like a thing. That's why we're getting an error right here. It's because it's like, x shouldn't be used as a statement. And so if you put the equals here, then it's equal to that, and it's subtracting from that. And if we do x equals speed, then we'll just be, our little first guy will just, if we, are chosen there, we'll just be like in the corner the whole time. If we click down, we'll just be in the corner the whole time. So that's the difference. Sorry if I didn't explain it well enough, but yeah. Now we'll just click Control C, Control V, Control V. Now we'll change this to right, and then we're gonna say plus speed, and then for this we're gonna be like up key, and then we're gonna be like minus equals speed, and that should work. Let's see. Hello? It's loading. There it popped up. Okay. So there's us. We can move up. Oh, I made a mistake. So, what I did is when I clicked up, I put X instead of Y, and that's a mistake, a common mistake. So, yeah. I changed that back, as you can see, and I clicked run again, and now it's back up. And now we can go up, down, left, right, and we can do all those combinations. Next time we're going to make it so like if she's idle, it'll not make the running animation, but like, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.